everyone, hope all of you are doing good. So today we are going to study the question answers of chapter 5. Name of the chapter is Accessories and the questions are given in the book on page number 34. So our activity 1 is the question answers. Our first question is name few input devices. So students, we have already studied about input devices and the input in class 4th. So when we provide information, instruction or any data to a computer, it is called input, and the devices which are used to provide information or instruction to a computer are called input device. There are two primary input devices which are keyboard and mouse. Keyboard, when we press any key in the keyboard, means we are providing any instruction or the data or the information to a computer. So this is an input device. We are inputting the data or the information by pressing the keyboard button. Next is our mouse. Mouse is also an input device. It is also called pointing or selecting device, as when we click the button of a mouse, then instructions are provided to the computer in the form of click. Next is joystick. Joystick is mainly used to play the games like video games, etc. Joystick has some buttons and a handle-like structure which enable to play any game. Next is scanner. Scanner is also an input device and it works like a photocopy machine. It scans the images or text in the form of picture, and this picture we can further resize or modify. Next is microphone. Microphone is used for picking up sound waves to be broadcast, and it also carries or broadcasts our voice signals when we are talking on our smartphones or mobile phones. Next is light pen. Light pen is mainly looks like a pen. It is used by touching the screen of a special pad attached to it. So from here we can conclude our answer. Few input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, microphone, light pen, etc. Then the second question is name some output devices. Some output devices are monitor, printer, speakers, headphone, etc. So before going further, we have to understand the meaning of a output device. The final result generated after processing the input is called output devices, and the devices which are used to display the output are called the output devices. So here again the primary output device is our monitor. So we again study about the monitor in class 4. It is also called a visual display unit, and it is the display unit of a computer. It has a screen which looks like a television. Basically, when we see the computer, the screen which we see, which looks like a television, is the monitor. Next, and also the most popular output device is printer. Printer are used to print any data or the information on the paper, and the paper which we obtained after the printing is called a printout or a hard copy. Next is our speakers. So speakers are mainly used for the listening of any voice or any music, anything. Actually it gives out the voice or the music or any signal, etc. Headphone is also an output device. So our next question is name some storage devices. So storage devices are mainly used to store the data or the instructions permanently or temporary. So the devices which are used to store these information are called storage devices. So the answer is some storage devices are floppy disk, hard disk drive, compact disk, flash drive, etc. So class, floppy disk is a storage device which is used to store a large not large, which is used to store information. It is square in shape and small in size. Hard disk drive, hard disk is also used to store the information or the data, but as compared to floppy disk, it can store a large amount of data in it, and hard disk drive is attached in the cabinet of a CPU. Next is compact disk or CD. It is round in shape and it is used to store movies, songs or any data in it. Next is flash drive, which is popularly known as pen drive or the USB drive. It is also used to store a large amount of data, and it is also a portable device. Portable means if we want to carry or transfer any data or information from one computer to another, or if we want to carry any information to another place, then when we can easily use this flash or pen drive. So the next question is, what is the use of a printer? Printer is mainly used to print the information on a paper, which we have already studied, and the printing done through the the printing done through the printer is called the printout or the hard copy. Next is, what is the purpose of a flash drive? So the same answer, the purpose of a flash drive is to store and transfer the information from one computer to another. Next, what does UPS stands for? So the answer is UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Again, this we have already studied in class 4th. So it is a device that supplies electricity to a computer and can continue working for some time even when there is no power supply. So the next and the last question is, which device is generally preferred for playing games? As I already said above, joystick is mainly used to play the games as it has the buttons and the handle-like structure which enables to play the game. So the answer is joystick is generally preferred for playing games. Thank you, and please students learn these question answers and most importantly understand these question answers. Thank you.